Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add an account onto your charts of account. So how you would do that is first go back to company, chart of accounts. From there, go to account, new, and from over here, you're going to click fixed asset. Click continue. It's going to ask you for the account name. So this one is going to be Network Analyzer. Sub account is like you are grouping everything together. So on a list of accounts, you will see everything that's grouped together. On your balance sheet or income statement, you can see all the accounts are grouped under a certain heading. So that is what a sub account is. So this sub account is going to be under furniture. So this one is on your sheet or on inside this drop down arrow. It would not have all of this. It will not have Network Analyzer. I have already done my assignment. That's why it has it already categorized. But you'll see what I mean. Once when you do it, and once when you print out your list of accounts, you'll print out your income statement, you'll see everything that is grouped together. I will show it to you at the end of my video how it will look like if you have done everything properly. So sub account of is right over here. Description, it will say segment of MVG. I'm not going to type everything completely out. On your assignment, it will say everything that is on there. So for all of your assignments, just leave the text line mapping unassigned. Enter the opening balance. It was 3. And always remember to insert the comma in as well because you're right now dealing with money. And for all of our assignments, it seems like everything is ending on December 31st. So for there, December 31st, 2021. So, and then from there, just click OK. And then this is where you'll just click Save and Close. Since I've already done the assignment, then you don't need to do that part. You don't need to, I would not be clicking Save and Close. That's what I meant. So, you're going to ask me, how do I modify an account? So how you modify an account is first go under account. First you click on something that you want to modify. So for example, if I want to modify Royal Ontario Bank Checking, first just highlight Royal Ontario Bank Checking, click on account, click on edit account, and then from here, once when you get on the screen, all it tells you to do is just add the sub account of cash. So first, from here, sub account of cash, I've already done my assignment, so that's why it already has the sub account of cash already written there. But what you need to do is highlight sub of account of. Sub account means that you're grouping everything together. Then from the drop down box, just click on cash. You don't need to add a description. You don't need to add a bank account number. Let me double check. Nope, you don't need to add the bank account number on there. I guess the assignment has already done that for you. Then all you need to do is just click Save and Close. And you can see right here that under the heading on cash, it has already grouped the petty cash together. The Royal Ontario Bank payroll, that one you need to do an assignment to as well. So all you need to do is just highlight Royal Ontario Bank payroll. Go to edit account again. So how I got there is account. Click on the mini drop down arrow, edit account, and then subaccount of. That was not checked on your assignment. Just click on that, subaccount of. Under there, just click cash. And then later on, just click save and close again. And as you can tell, it's already indented under cash. Hope this video helps, and if it does, I will show you how to delete an account. Do you know what? I'll show that to you now too. That's actually really easy. For example, if you want to delete accounts payable, all you need to do is highlight it. On here, just click delete account. It's gonna ask you, do you want to delete it? It double checks you, cross checks you, because once you delete something on here, you cannot undo. So if I were you, double check, cross check, because it will say okay if you want to delete it. So let me see if I can just delete this. No, let me see if I can show you anything that I can delete. Okay, here's a better example. So for example, if I want to delete the sales software, you go to account, the drop down arrow, and then highlight delete account. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete this account? In your case, whatever account it wants you to delete, just click OK. But for my case, I don't want to delete sales software. So I'm going to click cancel. But for you guys, click OK. Hope this video tutorial helps. If it does, I'll see you on my next one. And bye for now.